Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepti. Today, I'll be presenting the topic precision versus accuracy of instruments under analytical instruments. This presentation focuses mainly on the importance of precision and accuracy in analytical instrumentations in chemical engineering industries, etc. Introduction. Measurements are the foundation of analytical instrumentation. In chemical engineering industries, accurate measurements are essential for maintaining the process efficiency, product quality, and also industrial safety. So, analytical instruments are used to measure important parameters such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, and chemical concentration. These measurements help engineers monitor and control industrial processes effectively. Industries such as petroleum refineries, pharmaceuticals, water treatment plants, and food processing industries rely heavily on precise and reliable instruments for smooth operation and quality assurance. What is accuracy? Accuracy represents how close a measured value is to the true value. The true value is the actual or the standard value which is widely accepted because it is obtained from a highly reliable standard method. Whereas the measured value is the value which is indicated or recorded by the instrument during the measurement. If the measured value is very close to the true value, the instrument is is considered highly accurate. For example, if we consider some reactor, chemical reactor, whose true value, whose temperature, whose true value is 100 degrees Celsius, but the instrument shows 99.8 degrees Celsius, the measurement is highly accurate. In chemical industries, accurate instruments are extremely important because even small deviations in temperature, pressure, or flow measurements can affect process efficiency, product quality, and plant safety. Now, what is precision? Precision describes the consistency of repeated measurements. Consider if an instrument gives nearly the same reading every time under identical condition, it is considered precise. For example, if a sensor repeatedly displays values such as 49.9 degrees Celsius, 50.1 degrees Celsius, or even 50 degrees Celsius, the measurements are highly precise because they are closely grouped together. However, the readings may still not match the true value, meaning an instrument can be precise without being accurate. In analytical instrumentation, the precision is important because for obtaining reliable and reproducible experimental results. Now, precision versus accuracy. Precision and accuracy are related, but they are different concepts in measurement. Accuracy shows how close the measurement is to the true value, while precision shows how close repeated measurements are to each other. So, accuracy indicates correctness, precision indicates consistency. Accuracy is related to measurement quality, precision is related to repeatability. Accuracy is affected by calibration errors, precision is affected by instrument stability. Accuracy is essential for process control decisions, whereas precision is critical for process reliability. We have some of the examples. For example, if several measurements are tightly grouped but far from the actual value, the instrument is precise but inaccurate. If measurements are scattered but centered around the true value, the instrument is accurate but not precise. In chemical engineering applications, instruments must be ideally be both accurate and precise to ensure safe and efficient industrial operations. This slide explains the four possible combination of accuracy and precision using dartboard illustration. So when measurements are both close to the center and tightly grouped, the instrument has high accuracy and high precision. This is the ideal condition in engineering measurements. If readings are spread out but centered around the target, the instrument is accurate but not precise. If readings are tightly grouped but far away from the center, the instrument is precise but inaccurate. Usually, this occurs due to a calibration issues. When readings are both scattered and far from the center, the instrument has neither accuracy nor precision, making it unreliable for industrial use. So, factors affecting instrument performance. There are several factors which influence the performance of analytical instruments. Calibration helps maintain accurate measurements by comparing the instrument with standard references. Sensitivity determines how well small changes can be detected, while resolution indicates the smallest measurable variation. Environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity can affect the sensor performance and measurement stability. Human handling is also one of the most important factor because improper operation or poor maintenance can reduce accuracy and precision. Therefore, proper calibration, suitable working conditions, and trained operators are essential for reliable analytical measurements. This is a brief note on measurement errors. First of all, what is errors? Errors are nothing but the differences between the true value and the measured value obtained from an instrument. There are the two most common types of errors. One is systematic error, another one is random errors. Systematic errors occur consistently due to causes such as improper calibration or instrument defects, while random error occurs unpredictably because of environmental fluctuations or observation variations. These topics are broad. Here it's only a brief note about them. We only focus here on their basic understanding and relation to analytical instrumentation. Applications in chemical engineering. Analytical instruments play a major role in chemical engineering industries. pH meters help monitor acidity in treatment control or in treatment of plants and reactors, whereas flow meters control the movement of fluids throughout the pipelines, whereas spectrometers are used to analyze the chemical concentrations in laboratories, and temperature, pressure sensors, they are usually used to maintain the safe operating conditions in industrial processes. Accurate and precise instruments improve the process control, ensures consistent product quality, enhance safety, and reduce operational losses in chemical plants. Industrial case study. This case study highlights the importance of accurate and precise measurements in chemical industries. There is a scenario where a faulty temperature sensor provided incorrect readings, causing the reactor temperature to rise beyond the safe operating condition. As a result, the product quality decreased, energy usage increased, and there was a potential safety risk to the plant. The issue was traced to poor calibration and inadequate maintenance of the sensor. So, this example demonstrates why industries rely heavily on properly maintained and high reliable analytical instruments for safe and efficient plant operations. Conclusion. So, in conclusion, accuracy and precision are fundamental concepts in analytical instrumentation. Accuracy refers to the correctness of the measurements, while precision refers to the consistency of repeated measurements. Both characteristics are essential in chemical industries because reliable instruments help maintain product quality, and they also improve the process efficiency, and they ensure that the industrial safety. Proper calibration, maintenance, and operation of instruments are necessary to achieve a dependable analytical results. These references include standard analytical instrumentation and chemical engineering textbooks, which were used for understanding the concept accuracy, precision, and measurement systems. Thank you.